Are you dealing with tiny holes or pockmarks in your paint job? That is pinholing, and that is a problem you can fix. Pinholes, also known as pitting or pinpricks. It occurs when the air moisture or solvent get trapped under your finish, causing tiny holes to form. Pinholes' common causes are improper surface preparation and cleaning, moisture in the air lines, incorrect gun setup, and using wrong thinner for your condition. To prevent pinholing, thoroughly clean and dry all the surfaces. Use correct gun adjustment. Select proper thinner or reducer for your shop condition. Make sure the air line are clean and moisture free. If the pinholing occurs, let the area completely dry. Sand it smooth. Reapply necessary undercoats and refinish to get a flawless result. With careful preparation and right techniques, you can achieve a pinhole-free finish. Follow us for more expert tips.